Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and OS so you pick the right menu. This avoids guesses that waste time. Open Settings, then navigate directly to Accessibility or Display, depending on your phone. Do this now, then make sure any screen lock or security prompts are ready, because you will adjust system-level scaling. Once done, note current zoom or text size values so you can revert if needed. This step prevents accidental changes to app layouts and preserves your home screen grid. Now change the actual zoom settings. In Display, choose Display Size, or in Accessibility, pick Magnification. You want to increase home screen scale, not just text. That alters icon spacing and widget proportions. Use Pinch to Zoom or the slider to move in small increments and watch the live preview. This shows how icons and widgets reflow. If your launcher has a grid setting, adjust it next so icons don't overlap. Make changes slowly to keep gestures predictable. Finish by checking every home page and opening apps to ensure nothing is clipped. If icons misalign or widgets look wrong, reboot first. That often forces the launcher to relayout. If issues persist, clear the launcher cache or reset its settings. This preserves apps but fixes layout bugs. Keep your original display values noted so you can restore them if the zoom change causes problems. One key tip: if gestures feel off, reduce zoom slightly rather than restarting the whole.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.